Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Valorant can't sign in. Sorry, we're having trouble signing you in right now. So while you are trying to sign in the Valorant game and you encounter this error message, then let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl, control panel item under the best match. Just simply click on that. Then here you'll find the network connection, so all the connections that you have. Now, if you are connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, well, the process is just the same, so just don't worry. Make a right click, then you have to select properties. Now, here in the Wi-Fi properties, or it could be Ethernet properties, simply look for the Internet Protocol version 4 that's under Nested Network Virtualization. Click on the Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Now here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. So we're going to use the Cloudflare. So type for the preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1. For the alternate DNS server, type here 1.0.0.1 and click on OK and simply close all these windows. For the next method, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type here percentage local app data percentage. Click on OK. Then here simply look for the Valorant folder. So in my case, I have just deleted the Valorant folder. So in your case, if you find the Valorant folder from here, then just simply, let's say for example, this is the Valorant folder. Make a right click and then select delete. Now once deleted, close this and then just try to log in again. Then locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click, select show more options, click on properties, click on the compatibility tab. Now make sure this boxes disable full screen optimizations, check that. Run this program as an administrator, check that. Click on apply and click on OK. Then for the final method in the Windows search bar, type cmd. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. In here, type these commands: ipconfig space / release, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space / renew, hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space / flushdns, hit enter. And the last command, ipconfig space / register DNS, hit enter. And then type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, sign into the Valorant game. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.